Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Now I will show you how to use the multi-keypad work with the TD108 watch receiver. And this keypad is for TD101 calling system, and it also works with our watch receiver. Now I have already turned it on, and the watch. First, let me show you how to add the numbers. As we all know that for the kitchen, it may need more call buttons, so this keypad will be better. And so we'll go to add button, and this is the area 1. You can press number 1 and use this. Okay, you can see it successfully. And if you want to change 2, pair it one by one. Now let's check. And press this to call. Okay, it's kitchen 2. Okay, it works. If you don't need it in kitchen but other places, you can also change the keypad name as well. And go to the keys define. And this is the order. View, barbecue. Okay, I will use this one. Just press this. Okay, it will successfully. Make sure that you just pair one button will be fine. Let's check. Okay, it's changed to coffee. The second one as well, so you don't need to change it all the time and for all the numbers. If you have more questions about this product and using, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. In addition, you can also visit our website www.retekess.com for more products. Thank you.